In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom preparing meeting. If Zoom keeps hanging on the preparing meeting screen, follow along and we'll get you connected quickly. First, grab the actual meeting link from wherever it was sent to you, your email, calendar invite, or messenger, and copy it so you have the full URL. Next, open a standard web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and paste the link into the address bar. This loads Zoom on the web instead of jumping straight into the desktop app, which helps us isolate what's causing the stall. When the page asks to open the Zoom app, click Cancel. Then look toward the bottom of that page for a small option that says Join from your browser. Click it. This forces the meeting to run in your browser and often bypasses whatever is freezing the desktop client. If the window still sits on Preparing Meeting and the Close button doesn't help, don't worry. The X rarely ends a stuck session. You'll need to stop the frozen process so it can restart cleanly. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together, or by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. Find Zoom in the list, right-click it, and select End Task. That fully closes lingering background processes that can trap the connection. Next, consider your connection path. Zoom can get caught in a loop if a VPN is active or if a network security rule interrupts the handshake. Temporarily disable your VPN, then try the link again. If that doesn't help, switch networks briefly. For example, if you're on home Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot for a moment to see if it lets you in. If the hotspot works, restart your router to refresh your home connection before switching back. If none of that clears it, the desktop app may be stuck because of a bad update or a corrupt temporary file. Refreshing the installation is quick. Click the Windows icon, open Settings, then choose Apps. Go to Installed Apps, locate Zoom, and uninstall it. Once it's removed, download a fresh copy from the official Zoom Download Center and install the latest version. A clean install replaces damaged components and typically resolves persistent preparing meeting loops. Try your meeting link again, either in the browser or the updated app, and you should be good to go. If it connects, re-enable any tools you turned off, like your VPN, only after the meeting is stable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you join without delays.